Congratulations on finalizing and finishing your Part 1 orientation. Welcome to the second orientation that you have, which is the products and the glamour part of the business. My name is Sanaz Human. As Vice President of Product Development with Global Wealth Trade, it is my honor and pleasure to take you through our beautiful, luxury, high-end showroom that we have here at World Headquarters. So why don't you follow me through and I'll show you what we have today. Come on over. Why don't we go up and take a look at our beautiful luxury showroom of Global Wealth Trade. This is where you get a chance to see our products, our Fairy designer lines, as well as our Fairy Mosh of 19 karat gold and 21 karat gold. So I want to welcome you to the showroom. As you can see, it's a very impressive showroom that we have. High-end, luxury, and definitely a product for everyone. So let me take you through our different product lines that we have here at Global Wealth Trade. And I'm going to start you off with our Fairy designer lines to show you the collection of our leather, our sunglasses, our silver, our tungsten, our high-tech ceramic, our timepieces. Here we have our beautiful shields for Fairy designer lines. The shields are different. They're very unique. They're made in Italy. They're CR39. For the UV protection is UV 400. Again, very high-end, a lot of great designs to choose from. Very modern, very classy, very elegant, very, very, very popular, available for men and women. Then, of course, we have our Fairy purses, our clutches, our handbags, our wallets. Again, the leather's from Italy, beautifully made, all handmade, all hand-stitched, great compartments, garment bag, authentication card. We give you a whole slew to be able to choose from, whether you want to wear it, on your elbow, on your shoulder, or handheld. We definitely have a product for everyone. Going to our largest collection for Fairy designer lines, it's our Fairy Sterling Silver. And the Fairy Sterling Silver is very, very popular. It's 925 sterling silver. It's rhodium plated, so it's great. It actually looks like a gold and diamond piece. It looks like it's set with gemstones, but you don't pay that price point. Our price line for the Fairy Sterling Silver starts as low as $20, goes all the way up to $17,000. The collection is very vast. It definitely has a product for everyone's want, taste, need, budget. Whether you're looking for a dainty piece to wear on an everyday basis, whether you're looking for that big, gaudy, red carpet celebrity pieces, which we have so much to be able to choose from, whether it's your pearls or your rubies or your emeralds or your sapphires or your onyx, we definitely have them. Some of our sterling silver pieces have been plated with 18 karat gold plating. 3 to 5 microns, imagine. So really, you feel like you're wearing a gold piece. Then going on to our stunning timepieces that we have. With Fairy designer lines, we have timepieces that are made with tungsten and high-tech ceramic. The tungsten and high-tech ceramic are becoming more and more popular. Why? They have a very high durability. They do not change color. They're lavish. They're gorgeous. They're set with AAA cubic zirconia, but can also be customized with diamonds. We actually have our Fairy President. The Fairy President is actually made with 19 karat gold. It's got diamonds set inside of it. The Fairy President, for example, in this design, it's got over 100 grams of gold, and it's got about 40 carats of diamonds that have been set into this beautiful luxury design. Then, of course, the final collection for Fairy designer lines, which is the tungsten, high-tech ceramic, plankston line. This line, very, very popular for the gentlemen. And what's great about this line, very affordable. Men love it because it's got the high durability. It's got the high resistance to scratch. Plankston, again, a very unique line for Global Wealth Trade. Why? Because the plankston is a mix of tungsten, platinum, mixed together in order to be able to create the beautiful, luxurious items that we have. Now let's take a look at our Fairy Mosh designer lines, our 19 karat gold, our 21 karat gold. What you just saw was all of our silver collection, non-gold. The Fairy Mosh is ultra luxury designs, are all custom made, custom designed for Global Wealth Trade. What's really unique about us, what we've been able to do for our 21 karat gold formula. We have created amazing formula that took us 3 years of creation, of research and development to be able to create this very, very unique compound. Again, all high-end metals have been mixed into one to be able to create it as hard as 14 karat gold, but to make it a 21 karat gold piece. This line is available for men and women, whether it's your high-end $100,000 necklace that we carry, or your bracelets that you're looking for, or the beautiful single solitaire for that Yes I Do Day. We definitely have a product for everyone. Then, of course, we go into a very sentimental piece, which is our bridal line. The bridal line is a very vast line to be able to choose from. Again, all depending on your taste, your want, your budget, and really what kind of stone you're looking for. The amazing part about our 19 karat line, the minimum quality that we do is an SIG quality, available in white gold, rose gold, yellow gold. Whether you want a very lavish piece or whether you want a single band, we can definitely make that design special for you. What's unique about the 19 karat gold, every single piece has its own custom mold. So every single customer has its own mold made in their name. And then we have our 19 karat special projects. Why do we call it special project? The intricate and meticulous workmanship that we've done in order to be able to create our 19 karat gold series. For this line, it's about 3 times heavier than the average of what you would find in the market. It is ultra luxury. It is absolutely beautiful. It's available once again in yellow gold, white gold, rose gold. And the stones that we've set is a variety of different, not only diamonds, but as well as gemstones. Some of the designs actually have well over 900 different diamonds set into one piece. Can you imagine the meticulous workmanship that you would need in order to be able to create such a beautiful and lavish piece? Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see with Fairy Designer Lines, with Fairy Mosh, we definitely have a beautiful, beautiful product line. We have an extensive line to be able to choose from. Whatever your want, whatever your budget, whatever your need, we can definitely create it for you. The advantage of being a luxury consultant with Global Wealth Trade is that you receive customer preferred pricing. And what's really great about jewelry is that it's got a beautiful profit margin to be able to work with. So it's a great return on your investment. So the investment that you make into your business for Global Wealth Trade, you can definitely reap the rewards by being able to retail a couple of products. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you next time.